I saved a baby bird. He's in his nest now. That a boy. That's where you belong. You weren't ready to fly yet. He's so cute. Hope I don't get rabies from handling a baby bird with my bare hands. And I hope that his family doesn't reject him after the smell of human is on him. I hope the mama bird comes back and feeds the baby until he's ready to fly, because he was definitely not ready to fly today. He was on the ground chirping, and I scooped him up and I put him back in the nest because that's where he belongs for now. Little bird. Little bird. With his family. I'm going to take this on the other side of the tree and so you can see the other babies. You can see through here it's the rest of the baby birds. But I need to get out of this tree because there's bees and stuff, so I gotta go. Birdies! There's so many. There's so many of them. They're so cute. Alright. I'm gonna go inside and wash my hands now after handling a baby bird. Birdies! Bye-bye, birdies! Bye-bye, birdies! And I'll show you this is the bird that I had to save and put back in the nest. Bye-bye, birdie! I'm glad you're home now and I was able to help you. Bye-bye! Bye-bye, birdie! Bye-bye.